Then what's that? Kangaroo. This one give mommy, okay? Give mommy. Give mommy. Do you have a fork there?
Yeah, make her do the sounds again. I'm recording now.
Actually, what sound does a pig make?
Look at Daddy.
Show daddy. What sound does a pig make?
Oink oink. Oink oink.
What sound does a duck make?
Quack quack. Quack quack.
How about a cow?
Moo moo moo. She likes the cow the most, huh? What else? What else do you know?
Then they smell his skunk.
Smelly skunk?
Actually, who is the Indian boy downstairs? What's his name? Every morning you stand there and you call. What do you call the lion? Louder! Louder! Where are you?
Lion!
What do you say to the lion? Lion, where are you? Say it louder. Louder. Mommy can hear you louder. Where are you?